Hello, dear students. Today we will discuss the chapter number 1, Wonder by R.J. Palacio. For this chapter, our aim is students will be able to identify problem of main character and setting of the story. So let's start the chapter. Wonder is a story about a 10-year-old boy named Augie Pullman. He has been homeschooled all his life, but when he turns 10, he goes to school for the first time ever. In this chapter, August talks about his family and himself. The second part of the extract is narrated by August's new friend Summer. The chapter has been divided into two parts. First is August, why I didn't go to school. I will tell you the summary of this chapter. At the beginning of the story, Augie believes he is just like any other kid, but he knows that people don't run away screaming when they see him. He has already had 27 surgeries to try and correct his genetic condition. He thinks himself as an ordinary kid. He can eat ice cream, ride bike, play video games, like other kids, but his family members and other people treat him as an extraordinary kid. His sister Olivia is visibly upset whenever she sees people staring at them wherever they go. But Augie faces another challenge when his parents force him to attend Beecher Prep School. He has been homeschooled by his mother. She used to be a children's book illustrator. He wanted to go to school, but only if he could be like other kids going to school, have lots of friends and hang out after school. So let's move to the second part of the story, Summer Weird Kids. The story switches perspective from Augie to Summer, the girl who sits with him at lunch every day. She recalls how she felt sorry for Augie and his first day, but now enjoys talking with him because he is fun. The other kids called him Freak and gave his nickname Zombie Kid. Summer invites Augie to her house. She warns her mother in advance about his face and talks to him about when he arrives. Augie and Summer hang out a lot over the next month. Summer does not treat Augie any differently because of his facial deformity. Summer is compassionate toward Augie. Summer wanted to ask about his facial deformity, but she was hesitated. But Augie understood what she wanted to ask, and then he told her about his surgeries. Augie also had the other syndrome thing that he could not even pronounce the words correctly. Augie had accepted his facial deformity and said that he was a medical wonder. Augie had accepted his facial deformity and said that he was a medical wonder. Now our chapter has been ended. So we will discuss about the chapter, what we have done in the chapter. Firstly, activity discussion. What nickname did the kids in school give August? So the answer is Zombie Kid. Next is generalized discussion. Why did Summer like to spend time with August? Because August was a nice kid. Next part is high order thinking. So the question is, why had Summer warned her mother? What had she told her? Summer had warned her mother as she didn't want to hurt August. She told her mother not to make faces before August. So, this is all about the chapter. Hope you have understood the chapter very well.